Okay guys, I got a working Duplo here. You can see it's got a good bottom. I'm going to turn this into a track element. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to come up here and I'm going to go save as. I'm going to save it as CS SimTrack. Alright, I'm going to take a moment and actually put this into IED Spurgeon Chad and then Duplo track elements, trying to manage my files well, as sometimes I don't. So you see up here the name has changed. That means my Duplo block is back here in my data panel. It's saved. This is a whole new piece. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to scrape everything but the bottom 2/10. I want to keep this bottom, but I want to get rid of all of this up here. So I'm going to do a sketch on the side. I'm going to draw a rectangle. I'm going to lock on the one side and drag above and beyond. And then I am going to dimension this to be exactly 0.2 inches from the bottom. Now when I finish my sketch, I'll go back to isometric mode so you can see clearly. I'm going to extrude that as a cut, just dragging out, and it's left me with a good bottom. All I have to do is replace the rectangular part on top. I'm going to do that by creating a sketch. I'm going to choose the top of this piece I have left, like that. I'm going to do a 2-point rectangle going from corner to corner, making sure that I snap on there. I'll finish that sketch, extrude that portion and that portion up. Now, my block needs to be a total of 0.756, but I'm starting with 0.2 at the bottom. So this should be extruded 0.556, because that, when added to that 0.2, represents the height of a block. I'm going to hit OK, and now I'm going to put on my half pipe to make it a track element. I do that by creating a sketch, coming to any side, and I am going to put a circle at the center top. You notice that blue triangle pops up. That circle is going to be 1 inch in circumference or in diameter, and then I'm going to extrude that to make my track piece. At this point, I'm simply going to add my initials and call it done. So I'll create sketch, come over to the side. I'm going to go to create text. I'll drag out a text box, corner to corner. I'll put in my initials. Oops. I'm going to center it, left to right and top to bottom. Hit finish sketch. I'm then going to go to emboss. I will choose those letters. The face that I'm embossing it is there. I'm going to deboss it, sending it in, and I'm going to go in 0.05. So change that default 7.9 to 0.05, hit OK, and that is a simple track piece.